Why is there a tarp in Dollar Tree? Things are changing. You don't go anywhere. I love the Dollar Tree stake lights, and there is a brand new one this year, a flame glow stake light. There's tons of DIY options with them.
These flicker so beautifully. They are my new favorite. Also, if you've got an event planned, you can grab some of the more traditional solar lights. And during the summertime, the Dollar Tree sells these little jars with handles on them. So beautiful. You can also grab the mini fish bowls. I also found a round solar light, brand new this year. Put it inside. Beautiful decor. Stick around, we've got tons of gorgeous DIYs coming up, but first, an amazing viewer hack. I knew as soon as I saw this comment, I had to try it. In my bathroom, I had a hole in my screen, and one of my viewers told me you could use the Dollar Tree splatter screens to fix your broken screens. Just use a little bit of E6000. I spread this on with a toothpick, I let it dry. Finally, I can open up my window without the risk of flies coming in. Let's head back into the store.
Now is the time of year to get your hula hoops. I've made tons of DIY wreaths using them.
This is really simple, and the hula hoops come in all different sizes. You want to take off the plastic coating, just peel it back and get rid of your beads.
Ooh. Ignore our mess.
There on the inside to make it jingle, and I'm just using some metallic spray paint. I just got this from Walmart and gave it a light coat, and then I slipped a pool noodle over the side, and then I had so much fun picking out Dollar Tree flowers. These Pastel Roses are brand new. They have glitter on them. When you see these in store, grab them. They replicate what you're seeing at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I secured it with a little bit of hot glue in the foam. Would this not be gorgeous at a wedding? I love this one.
If you are planning an event or a wedding, these LED tea light candles are an amazing buy. They last a really long time. I use them in all of my projects, and I love that the light flickers. 2 for $1.25. You can't beat it.
This hoop display was made from those splatter screens from earlier. Remember in my last video? I love how these look together.
In the shore section, they also have these beautiful planters. I love this robin egg blue.
I love when Dollar Tree carries colors that there's no need to spray paint.
They just restocked this. They have these really pretty mermaid style glasses. It's so iridescent and gorgeous. Keep your eyes peeled every time you come into Dollar Tree in the Crafters Square. There's always some new finds. They have these really cool glitter patches to iron onto your shirt. Look how cute that is. Dun, dun, dun. There was a recall at Dollar Tree. Remember the glue guns that I touted so much? Apparently they were starting fires. I do try to stay away from the tech stuff here, but I do still enjoy their glue sticks. Just don't get the glue guns. Did you guys hear about this? I'm gonna put information down below in case you have that in your house. Stay safe, friends.
Did you know Dollar Tree will give you a refund for it if you take it back to store, and then you can put it toward a craft that maybe you saw in this video. Don't forget to do it if you have it.
I love the Dollar Tree vinyl paper. I do not use it in my Cricut machine, but I love the colors to use as contact paper. You can put this all over your house to make projects look more elegant on a budget. I found the stick is awesome, especially on plastic and paper. Do you like the Dollar Tree? Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. We are so close to 2 million. I can't wait. Be sure to join the family because I never want you to miss a video like this. Now is the time to get your party supplies from the Dollar Tree, whether it's 4th of July or graduation, but my personal favorite are all of the birthday supplies. The leis this year are awesome, and if you're into Encanto like our family is, there's lots of items here you could use to create an Encanto themed party. Look at this. Definitely giving Encanto. I love it. You could even get little mini fans. Oh, this totally says Encanto. We don't talk about Bruno. Just because you're getting something from the Dollar Tree doesn't mean the item has to be small. You can make a beautiful balloon arch. I have a whole video, step-by-step tutorial. It's right here if you want to check it out. But in addition to that, they also have balloon stakes, so many different colors, and I haven't seen one in my store yet, but they have a balloon sizer gauge. So that way you can make sure your balloons are all the same size, especially for some of those bigger projects. Everything in this photo was done from the Dollar Tree. Here is an insider trick you've got to know. Lots of the cleaning products come in multiple sizes, so make sure you're getting the biggest bang for your buck. This is 12 ounces, this is 9.7 ounces, and they're both $1.25. And yes, this carpet cleaner is awesome.
Talk about conspiracy theories. I think this works just as good as Resolve. And
This is my completely unconfirmed conspiracy theory that the Dollar Tree sunglasses are the exact same ones that you see at Walgreens and CVS. Here, they're just $1.25. I think the quality is just as good. Let me know what you think. At what age did you start to lose your vision a little bit? So I'm 36 and I still feel like I don't need readers, but everyone in my family does, so I know. Oh man, this actually does help.
All right. So what was that tarp doing in my Dollar Tree? I'm gonna take you behind it. It was the grand reveal at my store.
In the year 2022, Dollar Tree is opening 1,500 new Dollar Tree Plus stores. They're adding it to the stores. You'll start to see them be unveiled with items priced $3 to $5. Here are the gems. These organizers are some of my favorite. They are just $5, half the price that you would find at Walmart and the same quality. I love using these inside pantries and closets. The depth is perfect. Maybe you thought the garden section wouldn't be that great. They have totally expanded it. They've got these gorgeous lanterns. They have so many outdoor lights. And what's more, they have planters for your potted plants. These would look amazing on a front porch. Check out how gorgeous this one is. These are cool too, right? Oh, it's okay. I also really like these wreath forms. It comes with the hoop and all of the embellishments. This one is just too gorgeous. Check it out. $5 for that. You can't even DIY it for that price. They also have all of these beach towels for just $5. I love the flamingo. These feel nice too.
And yes, Dollar Tree sells clothes now. They have these really fun character t-shirts. I also found some $5 leggings and some shoes, which seem to be amazing quality, so I took them home. I rate these t-shirts 5 out of 5. They are awesome. The leggings are great too, nice and light, perfect for summer, and the shoes are definitely my new pool shoes.
The wood craft section is really pretty. I love these little birdhouses, how cute. And these crates are very beautiful. I used these in a recent DIY. Oh wow, this is like a cool stand, like a pedestal. This is only $3. This is nice. This is a great way to get canvases on a budget. And they even have watercolor pencils. Ooh, I bet Carson would love this. Friend, you are enough. I'll catch you next time.
Do a like and subscribe too.
He wanted to say that. He's been watching a lot of YouTube.